Hello guys and welcome to my entry to the Great Hybrid Tournament. So let's start with the genome. Kelenken for base, providing strong neck muscles for a hammer-like attack and long legs. Next in our genome is the Great Cormorant. He provides water-resistant oil coating in the feathers and also a flexible throat that he can swallow medium-sized prey. The next genome contributor is the Pherecinosaurus. He provides his long claws, his size and also his legs. But with the Kelenken DNA that makes his legs longer, result in a hybrid that can stand taller than a Pherecinosaurus. Next in our genome is the bearded vulture. He provides smell and stomach and also his really strong stomach acid and also his strong immune system. Next in the genome is the carrion crow. He provides social behavior and intelligence. Next in the genome is the Indian crest porcupine. He provides some large and sharp quills. Next in the genome is the equatorial spitting cobra. He provides venom and also his venom spitting mechanism that we built in two enlarged teeth from Pelagornis, which is by the way our last contributor, which provides some teeth-like structures in the beak, which look like this in the hybrid. And the arrow points at the enlarged tooth of one side of his face. On the other he has a second one. Can I present to you my giant bird, Aviarex? His height is around 10.5 meters, his length is 12 meters, his weight is 2 metric tons, his speed is 40 kilometers per hour, his hammer force is 13,000 newtons, and his spitting distance is around 15 meters. He mainly uses his beak and his hands for fighting, but just in case he can use his feet too, and his quills prevent anything from attacking him from behind. If you enjoyed this video, you can like and subscribe, but you don't have to. Have a nice day and bye!